my chest, but the heart in the street. So when they feel this, they feel me. But I can't feel nothing outside these Dre beats. I am from the city of...
Hey YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to add Group Manager onto your Minecraft server. Whenever I added this plugin, I've been getting a lot of problems with it and setting it up, but I'll show you how to do it. So, in the description of the video, I'll have a link to the webpage to do it, to download it from, but if you don't have that link, or if you can't get it, then just do what I do. Go to this website, plugins.bukkit.org, and search Essentials under the All tab. You can search it and then go to the first one that appears whenever you search it, and it'll open up a new tab, and just X out the old tab, and then let this load. Then you can see Essentials version 2.8.2, collection of useful commands, blah blah blah. And close to the top there's a download right there. You see Group Manager download, you click on that and then it'll download it for you automatically. Save it to your downloads. Then you're done. You can just X out of the internet, and you don't need the internet anymore for this. Okay, now after you do that, you need to go and open up that file. It's under my downloads, I think. Well, for me it is, but then you need to go and open up your Minecraft server file. You should have two .jar files in here. Then you just drag them into it. As you can see, I'm doing a voiceover over the video, so. Okay, so you drag the two files into the plugins folder on your Minecraft server, and then you run your server. And what this will do is, after you run it, it will make a bunch of files, and then just stop your server, and then go to your plugins folder, and you'll see it added a file called Group Manager. Just open that up. Once you open it, you'll see it has global groups and config and world. Click on world, then server map, server at the end, and world. Those are all for like the nether and the normal world and stuff. Well, that changes permissions depending where you're at in the game. So you want to go to server map, go to groups, open that up with Notepad++ or with WordPad, whichever you prefer. And then here you can edit the permissions, like add permissions to the group, default, builder, whatever, admin, owner. You can, like my group right there is army. I added my own permissions, like essentials, toggle jail, so you can jail people if you're in the army, the group called the army. But for me, I can't add it with Notepad++. I have to use WordPad, because if I use Notepad, it gives me an error. It gets like .yml error, blah blah blah, and the server like won't work. The permissions don't work, and like it destroys all the plugins, and it's kind of messed up. But anyhow, I just edit it with WordPad, not WorldPad, and then you can edit the files with it. You just type in your permissions to it, and then you save your file. Like for example, enter 4 spaces and dash, and type in your permission that you want. Most plugins you download, they tell you the permissions that they set for it, but the codes. But for example, essentials.ban is one I have. I think that's to ban people. So you just type in that, and then you save it, X out of it, and then for that group that the permission was added to, only that group can ban people. Well, they can use that plugin to ban people. Owners and OPs can already ban people because they're the owner. And most groups have it if you're like a moderator. And then after that, there's a global config file, which if you add a permission to it, it'll work anywhere in the map. So your group, whatever, default, they can use a permission t/spawn anywhere in the game to go to spawn.